Hi, this is Chris from VitaminCM.com. Today we're going to talk about an application for the iPhone called RunKeeper. RunKeeper is an application that you can use if you hike or run or bicycle ride or cross-country ski. So I'll open it up. And this is the free version, which is ad supported. There's also a paid version which removes the ads. So before I start, I want to click over to Settings and pick the activity type. So when I pick that, there are options: running, cycling, walking, hiking, skiing. So I'll say running. When you're ready to start your run, just click the start button and it will begin timing your run. It's using the GPS in the iPhone to track your location. If you need to stop and take a break along the way, you can click the pause button to stop tracking your progress, and when you're ready to start back up again, just click resume and it will continue to track your progress. When you're done with your run, just click the stop button. And it will ask you if you want to save or discard the trip. So if you say save trip, it will save it. Now if you click on the history button, you'll see any of the different runs or walks that you've taken. So I'm going to click on this one here, and it will show you your route. So it tells you your average speed, how many minutes per mile, how far you traveled, how long you were. Then it shows the elevation range along your trip. If I click on show map, it's up a Google map that has your route along it in red. And then if you look, you'll notice things here. So if I zoom in, you can see things like where I pass mile 1, 2, 3, and so on. So what we're going to do next is see what you can do if you use their web service and track it on your computer. Once you save your runs on RunKeeper on the iPhone, you can go to runkeeper.com and create an account, and it will upload all your runs to the website. When you log in, you'll see your history here. So I'm going to click on this particular walk I took. And you'll see information. It was walking, the start and finish time, how long I was walking, how far I traveled, the average pace, the elevation rise, how many calories burned. If you go here, you could see there's a nice Google map, and then here you can see where I was on my walk, the elevation I was at, the speed I was walking, things like that, and you see the little blue dot following my route. So that's pretty cool. It's a Google map, so you can zoom in and out wherever you want. And if you look down here, you'll see Google Earth. So if I click this, it opens up a file that will launch in Google Earth that shows your route plotted in Google Earth. So it will zoom all the way down to your route in Google Earth, and you can drag it around. You could zoom in on it, do whatever you want. So if I wanted to look at where I was here in the park, I can just zoom in on it, and it will even tilt it so it'll give you like a Google Street View look. You could zoom out. You can save the route in your places in Google Earth. So pretty handy. You can not just track how far you did and all that fitness information, but if you want to like take a look at it in the future, see where did I walk, it's pretty cool. I mean, not so much when it's your hometown, you know where you walk, but if you went hiking in some park or took a long bike ride somewhere or a jog, if you ran a race or something, it's pretty cool that you can track all that information. So that's RunKeeper Lite for the iPhone. Again, the free version, which is ad supported, but the ads are really unobtrusive in the interface, so I just use the free version and deal with the ads.